Pretty sweet.
This is where we're going to get scrap. We're going way out there. Oh yeah. Just go slow. Go slow. You're good.
We're all good.
This is awesome.
Get to use beauty and beauty. But he said he's gonna load it up with the bucket if he can.
Oh yeah. This is awesome. There's a big old satellite tower. Just following the tractor.
This is our second load. Went to that farmhouse and got this for our second load. First load was all kinds of sheet metal and barbed wire. Tore the hell out of my legs. It's the top of the washer. This old washer. He said these people were just dropping the shit all on his property. Didn't have permission or anything. This was obviously a water heater from the house. Still got the brassies on there for me. Get that off. There's a little of the barbed wire. And the rest of this is steel, whatever the hell you call it. And we got the truck loaded down with the sheet metal as well. Satellite dish there. Got all the sheet metal stacked up as far as we can get it. Freaking nice, boys. And, yeah, at first I had a 2-inch drop because I've got an SUV. Then I ended up trying my buddy's 3-ball straight hitch or receiver, and ended up taking the 2-inch drop, flipping it over. Just got a 1 7/8 ball there. But then I also had to go to Harbor Freight and get the adapter. I don't know how many of y'all worry about trailers, but this was my first trailer. This guy was awesome. I couldn't have asked for a better guy. He taught me a lot just one day. Yeah, $9 adapter from Harbor Freight. Got a 4-blade in here. I'm not going to take it off just because I don't want to, you know, crack that. That is kind of old. But figure I'd give you a walk around the trailer real quick. I know it's got scrap in it, but just an old 3/4 ton 1988 Ford. Got this rigged up to, got a little pin in here. Pull that pin, releases this right there. Come out, drop that down. And when you want to travel, that just pivots up, lock it in place. Good to go. Friggin' right. Pretty solid trailer. Nice body, really. I mean, yeah, there's rust, but I really like the patina, what they call it. And it started out with 16.5-inch rims. He's got 16 on there, and 16's on there now. Just so getting tires won't be such a pain in the ass. But all the lights work. Just need, if I want, I can get that one working. Get a cover for it. If not, leave it be. Pretty nice truck. And I'm sure you can see there was a red, like, melted looking, wasn't a reflector because it didn't reflect, but just plastic. I took that off because all that was left was the screws on that side, so I wanted to make it a little more even. I am a Virgo. I don't know if any of you believe in that shit, but here's a little trick to this. I've never seen a tailgate that opens sideways like that. I'll drop her down. She just catches. Yeah, he showed me all that. Drop the tailgate down. He even had it marked out so he could get his exactly where to put his ramps. Get his mower in the back. And close her up. Just pull the handle. And since she's an old Ford, had it grabbed underneath. Lift up. It pops in place. She's good to go. And I just need to figure out some good tie downs because got that one here, this one on the corner. Then as you can see on each side, I need to notch those out a little bit better, but I don't really know if I want to hook on that frame like that. I don't know. You can see that's how I've got it though. Friggin' rights, boys. That's how we do's. Trailer life. Pretty happy. No reason I'm not taking on the other side other than it's a pretty good drop off. Oh, there's that picnic table. Pretty good drop off down here. And I believe there's poison ivy over there. That's the other side of her. Custom. I'm glad he put the bed liner in here because the bed is kind of old, but it's not all rusted through. There is 2 holes up at the front where like somebody was going to put diesel stacks or something, you know, those big pipes. So solid. Probably going to notch her out here and uncover the holes wherever they're at, and then one's up here. And I just been hooking onto that lip, but I don't know if I like that. Thought about putting some eye bolts somewhere, you know, just a couple throughout. Then I don't know if I want to build on some sides because I've already had it to where it would have been useful. Definitely would have utilized it. And just got this propped up here. Just totally forgot this stuff. That's got nails all over it though. Trying to keep that out of the way. Want to get that boat out maybe? I don't know. What are you doing? I don't know. The more and more I think about it, I wanted to get that boat out, but I have listed it on Craigslist because I figure, I don't know, if she sells, I'll let it go. I did do the water test on her, so good to go there. Friggin' rights, boys. I know, we just got this other scrap left. Lost a ratchet strap I can't figure out, otherwise those chairs would have went today. My first load. I just got the aluminoids to get off that door. Gotta let these dry out a bit. Still got all that scrap there, and then the Sab Lounge XL. That's a $150 bill for free. My brother's gonna go ahead and snag it. I listed it for $35 online. He said, I want it. I said, well, you can just have it. So, friggin' rights, boys. Living the dream. Hope y'all living yours.
What are you doing? He's showing our cards. Why?
Yahtzee! I'm gonna get the rest of my scrap loaded up into her and get on down the road. We've got the back of the Trailblazer full, and then we just got what we've got sitting right here, and then over alongside the railing there. Not the ebb thing, we're gonna sell that. Actually, that's going to my brother, my dad. And get all this stuff loaded up and then take it to the yard. Hope y'all having a good day. Not doing a whole lot around here, just had the niece and nephew stay the past 2 nights. So Been a fun little time. Played Yahtzee last night, and that's why I shared those clips with you. Other than making these pickups, a whole lot going on. But it's definitely a lot easier with this trailer, I'll tell you. I was so worried, but I am still just getting used to backing up. Well, boys, that was a pretty good run. For the farmhouse scrap that we just ran straight in, didn't even bother bringing it home the first load. 760 pounds for $61 it was. Not too bad, not too bad. Then it was already past the time that they closed, so had to bring her on home, but wasn't going to unload it just due to the nature of the scrap. Just that shit that once you pile it in, it's just tangled mess. So if you, why create more work for yourself type of thing. So that second load from the farmhouse, 740 pounds for $59. So not too bad, not too bad. Pretty damn good day. And if you peep what's back there, ran in our non-ferrous and got a call, scored some more scraps. Yeah, we did. Why wouldn't we? Hope you're all living your dream, doing whatever it is that makes you happy. Been busting our arse today. He's a good kitty. Anyway, just want to share with everybody, it has been one hell of a good day. We've got all kinds of the scrap metal and all kinds of the keep life. Oh, there's the kittens. Those are the babies. Those are the babies. I don't know if I even got them or not, but yeah, friggin' right. Look onto it. Did a clean out basically. Picked up this fridge just from a referred customer. I guess that's what I'll call it. And let me get you turned around and I'll show you all the scrap and the keep life. Friggin' rights, boys. Pretty stoked. This trailer's already paid for itself, no shit. Oh, look onto it, boys. That's my good dolly, so didn't get that, but scored a bike, old ass bike. I don't even think it says what it is. It's been painted over or something. But got those kick-ass handlebars, cruisers, basket onto it. And we got some golf clubs. Flagpole, that's all aluminum, 4 pieces. A couple other aluminum pieces down in there. I don't know if you can sound them or not. Flagpole. Could resell it possibly. It's an old rake. Got this grill that she said works. Her mother just passed away. It is awful rusty though, so I don't know. Have to take a look into it and see what my professional opinion is. Yeah, you hear that? And there's the water heater. This thing was a total, excuse my language, bitch. The stairs, I shit you not, were like straight up and down. I sat on my ass. Let me pick this toaster oven up where we got that fridge. That thing is heavy. It's a double side by side or whatever. Ironing board, some fence. This is from '91. This thing was just falling apart, but it was steep ass stairs. Got some aluminum screens in here to break down. Micro words with like, I don't know if that's wood. Yep, that's wood tape. Isn't that weird? Wood grain tape. Got some cast down in there. I think this was from a brake press, you know, I don't know. I could be wrong. Got some cords to clip, obviously. And moldy ass chair. Couple auto parts. Got a heater in there. And a bunch of the good parts. Let me take you for just a quick little stroll around the keep life here. We got a super old, oh, what do you call it? Yeah, I'm drawing a blank right now. Projector. Some movies. Then I believe this is brass. Yeah. But it's an old lighter. Pretty sure. Well, I'll freaking clean my lens. Yeah, got some brass and all this. Show you a quick little roundabout, and then I'll get it unloaded and show you. Friggin' rights, boys. This is one of our better scores here. Got a table and everything. So, like I said, let me get it all unloaded, and I'll show you better. Give you a better view here. Well, we've got a pretty good load. Got a couple reefers and a water heater, grill, and that bike and everything from yesterday. Just gonna take it in. A few things we saved. Ironing board and shit. Oh, boys, that was some heavy shit. But pretty stoked, pretty proud of ourselves. Got those reefers stood up straight, no incidents, and made it to the yard. But if you noticed, the yard was damn packed, couldn't even back in, just had to pull up straight. So if you're wondering what the hell I was doing that, I had her try to pan over and show you. There was just a wall of the sheet metal, and then on the other side was all the white goods, so I had to toss it over rather than just make a mess. So, or I guess I didn't have to, I could have just done it, but I don't know. Feel bad doing stupid shit like that. But not a bad load. 980 pounds. $78 we did. Not too friggin' bad, not too friggin' bad. Then yeah, also think I'm going to start expanding on my ad there that I post on the old Facebook and Craigslist and whatnot. Going to be doing a little mowing and hauling all the yard waste, I suppose. Friggin' rights, boys. Friggin' rights. We got a open burn here. Little village I live in. They charge $150 elsewhere just to be able to burn your shit. So, friggin' rights, boys. Help people out and make a few dollars while doing so. Hope you all live in your dream. Hot as hell. Hot as hell. Yeah, but if you noticed, also got the grass woods cut. Yeah, we did. Friggin' rights, boys.